Good morning, sixth graders. Happy Tuesday, October 6th. Today is going to be a day where we're just kind of touching base and you guys are checking some things off your list, okay? So the very first thing I want you to do, if you're watching this video, make sure you have read the update and then make sure that you are, I'm going to show you yesterday's update because I haven't posted Tuesdays yet. So this is looking at Mondays. So notice like this is where it will say what we're doing today. And then in bold letters, this is for you at home. You're going to watch the entire video. And then for attendance, please fill out the Google form attached to this update. So you just click on this attendance form. And all you do is put your first name, your last name, and then click on which one your social studies core is. So if you're in my room, you are core 1. If you're in Mr. Wolf's room, you are core 2. If you are in Miss Leah's room, you are core 3. And then if you're in Miss Johnson's room, you're in core 4. Okay, so this is how I will take attendance. I only had about half of you do this yesterday. So it's really incredibly important that you click on this form, okay? If we go back to materials and if we go back to this week's folder, which you've already found because you're watching this video, and this video would be right up here, right? You're going to click on this October check-in and fill out this October check-in, okay? And you're just going to do your first and your last name, then your social studies period. Again, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to tell me how you're feeling today. You're going to tell me why you're feeling that way, okay? How is learning from home going? Sixth graders, I need you to be really honest and open with me on that because we need to figure out how to help you, okay? And that's what this next question is. What can your teachers do to help you be more successful on your learning from home days? Okay. What are you going to be doing over the long break next week? So next week, remember, we have school Monday, Tuesday, but only green kids come to school on Monday and only gold kids come to school on Tuesday. And then we're off Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What is one thing you wish you could change about social studies this year and why? And then finally, is there anything else you'd like me to know? Okay. So you're going to submit that just kind of as a touch or a check-in or a touch base. And then I've taken a screenshot directly from my grade book, okay? And these are all the things that you should have. So if you log into your classes through Clever and look at your grades, remember all of these should have some sort of blue icon next to it. These bottom 5 should have that little blue piece of paper. And then a 9/11 discussion that would have that like blue, almost like computer window with the little pencil. And then if you've turned your map in, remember that's going to have that little blue piece of paper. Okay. Remember, you do need to submit a picture by Thursday when you're done. And then I would love if you could give me the paper copy either by Thursday or by next week, just because it's easier for me to grade on paper than it is electronically when we have such a large, like physically large project, okay? So if you don't have these things turned in, or if you don't have your Minnesota map done, once you're done watching this video, and once you're done with the October check-in, you're good to go, okay? You're gonna work on that stuff, you're gonna get things turned in, and on Wednesday, when we start talking about our next chapter, you are going to be all caught up. Okay, speaking of late work, getting caught up, all those things. Remember, sixth graders, my grade book is up to date on Thursday. Okay, so I know I talked to a lot of green students today. I know some missing assignment reports went home over the weekend. If you turned something in after last Thursday, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all of that might not get graded until Thursday. But remember, if someone at home or if your WIN teacher is asking you about assignments, you can show them that you've turned it in by showing them this part in Clever with that little blue icon, okay? So that's kind of your ticket to say, hey, I've done my job. Now Miss Lee just has to grade it, and she'll do that by Thursday, okay? If you have any questions, of course, send me an email. Some of you have been doing a great job at that. Some of you need to remember that that's an option, right? So just send me an email if you have questions. Today, make sure you've done the attendance, which is that Google form. Make sure you've done this October check-in here, and make sure you have all of your assignments turned in. When you're done with that, if you have work to do for social studies, go ahead and do that. I hope you guys have a great rest of your Tuesday, and I will either see you, I'll see all of you on Zoom tomorrow, Wednesday. We'll Zoom Wednesday for class. We are not Zooming today, Tuesday. You're just doing that online Google check-in that's attached to our update. Thanks, sixth graders. Bye.